Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Alobebo Official, and guys, we tried to capture this vlog for today. And actually, guys, I'm just around home, and today this vlog starts from here. And guys, so I don't want to take much time because it's evening time, and I want to join the rest of the videos for maybe noon time, and I will be there. So thank you so much for those people watching my videos. Thank you a million. May God bless you abundantly. And also for my returning subscriber, I really appreciate for you. Thank you so much by coming across to my channel. So in case you're new here, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That's the best way you can support Alobebo Official, and to improve myself around the humble family that you see here, guys. So guys, today's videos, it's all about positivities, and I'm so grateful. And today this is another story for you guys. I want to share with you. No more hide. And for those people trusting me 100%, just keep trusting me. So today I want to check for the dreamland. And guys, are you ready for this? So keep it locked. My amazing videos coming, guys. Wow, guys, welcome to today's vlog. And this video starts from here, and actually I'm around Nyabuhanse village. So I'm so grateful, guys. So I'm heading this way, and guys, honestly, I'm so grateful to be born and raised within this small village that you see here, guys. East West, home is the best. And guys, be honest, it doesn't cost anything. So today I'm going to look for the land for my next visitor, guys. Trust me. Wow, guys, you have the goat here grazing. Wow, guys, let's go. And I'm trying to pass Chef Matiko's home. So actually I'm using this road here, going this one that you see here. Wow, let's go. So I'm so late, but we tried to organize everything in order, so to make sure that in the morning, very early in the morning, everything shall be organized well, guys. So in case you're new here to this videos, just subscribe, comment, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about. Let's go. Wow, here we go. So this is Chef Matiko's home right now here. Goat are grazing around. So let's move on. Wow. You see, guys, I came from far, from other side. That you see the hill there. That's my home on opposite side. So right now, this is Chef Matiko's home. I'm telling you, guys. Here. So you see this gate. This is Chef Matiko's home, guys, over here. So I'm just passing this way, and there's a church, and then go this way, like this way, guys. So keep moving with me. So this is the church here. So I'm telling you, every part you have the church, because most of the people here are Christian. Wow, let's go. Wow, imagine this is a church here, this one here. So, and since early in the morning I was making our deal. So I think this is the second time helping my visitors from abroad, from different countries, getting their land and approved by the surveyors. So today I'm going to find another dreamland, you know. So be honest, nothing costs to be honest, you know, and be trustful in God. Maybe one day you shall win. So for me, I'm just playing my role, I'm just playing my parts, and that is it. Maybe for example, for me, I'll go somewhere else, nobody who knows me, but be kind, be trustful, be honest. We shall be getting some help from each other. So let's go. So I'm just passing here. Look. Just passing here. So imagine, and then I will meet the Muram Road, the main road over there. Wow. I'm telling you, everybody is building from entire village. Everybody in the entire village is. Look, there's perimeter wall. Wow, guys. What about? But my time and date and year is coming. So let's go. Imagine, this is the sand here. This one that is here, this is the sand here. So you can see from my entire village, everybody's building. This is the stones here. You can see even that construction is going on, new gate. And maybe in the future, they wanna open the shop here. You can see, that's the door. We have another door there, the main gate. So this one goes to Nyabuhansi, but right now I'm heading down, going that way. So it's evening time, and I'm trying to make things in order. So guys, follow these videos up to the end. You shall get the best videos ever. So for me, I think this is the second time, and for those people who trust me, just to do. And I'm done videos as an evidence. So today I'm trying to show you the dreamland. Maybe tomorrow or any other day, you shall see. Going to Surveyor and everything. So must be approval, guys. So my village, it's quite green, and technically it's pure green, guys. Look, right, left, even center. But the center, it's the road here. Wow, let's move. And the main means of transport here, it's the motorbike. Look, so for me, I'm just going this way. Wow. You see, there are people. I'm telling you, the motorbike, it's the main means of transport here. Wow. And for now, guys, I left my baby to be washed in the car wash, and all in well, I'm just moving on. Wow. So let's see. By tomorrow, I shall do something which are very important, guys. So these things, I'm not blagging things, is the reality, and that's the dreamland that I want to show you right now. Wow. In the morning, the sky, so it's evening time here. Wow. The time was so limited. Maybe when I be like this, yeah, I hope you will be seeing me clear, guys. Wow. So let's try our best, you know. Let's try our best. Our best. Wow. Wow. So let's go. Here we go. I'm feeling so happy, guys, for my work that have been done to my family. And also, guys, you are the part of my family, you know. Without your support by watching my videos, maybe nowadays I can't be on this platform. But through your support and prayers, I shall win, and things just run like straight. Let's go. On the road, we found the kids, so right now the school have been closed. Mnaenda wapi? Yeah? Nyumbani. Na nyumbani? Kwa nini mnatoka wapi?
Kutoka kwa master.
Kwa master kufanya nini?
Tulikuwa tumeenda kumwambia kesho ni graduation yetu.
Kwa master? Mnasoma wapi?
Rocket.
Amesemaje?
Atakuja.
Sawa. Hai. Kwa heri. Yes, so tomorrow they want to have some graduation, you know, curriculum for the education change. So she was coming from masters. Wow. Look, guys. It's pure green everywhere. See. Look, even right, left. So I'm just going deep, but I think that land, if you watch my videos, I was blending that land because it's under sail. Wow. But I realized, people, you watch my video until the end. Wow. See the rock over there. I'm telling you, since I was passing this from Nyabansa up to here, I found like 6 motorbike. This is the last one over here. Wait, Kibinda. Yes, this is the last one. So I have 2 options. Maybe I can go this way or this way and then go that way. So I'm trying to look the best way. Wow. I'm thinking twice. Am I heading this way or this way and then go that way? Because that land is over there. If you use geographical method, I can go straight like this. I meet that land. Wow. How am I going to do? So when I'm coming, I will use this road. So let's go this way. Boom. Wow. You know, we reach at on the road junction, you think twice. So for my own opinion, let me use this route. And then when I'm coming back, I'll take you around, passing to Mayuguno, coming this way. Wow. Oh. Wow, guys. And today it's so hot. It's evening time. As you can see, the sun goes down, but we'll try to keep moving with time. I'm telling you, in this village, everybody have the motorbike. That's how we had some few minutes motorbike. Like right now, the motorbike is coming at my back. Wow. Let's go. Oh. Umechana bwana. Umechana godero. Umechana hapa. Ni makaratasi hapa. Unapenda kapi home?
Nataka nipeleke home. Yeah, so guys, welcome to Hello Baby Official. How are you?
I'm good.
My name is Fellow the Boy, guys. So we have just met. Last time we just met with him
on this highway.
This road and my video, and today we have met with him. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for your much support. I see today you are just vlogging while you are walking without motorbike. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. So I had just gone to Sirari to go and buy this mattress. And yesterday I bought the bed, so I'm just preparing very early.
Because you have the bungalow.
Yeah, the bungalow.
The maroon sheet that you see there,
yeah,
guys.
That's iron sheet. So I want just very soon, before the end of this year, I find that I'm staying in that house. So
in December.
In December now we can be able to celebrate there.
Yes.
So I want to do all my best to make sure that if we teach on December, everything is set. The couches, by God's luck, the couches, the beds in every rooms, the kitchen to be set, and everything, so that we can be able now to appreciate God and celebrate for the work of God that God has been able to give us strength to do.
Yes.
Yeah. So we are appreciating a lot, guys, because you know, because of you, we are doing what we can be able to do right now. Remember, your view make us to get something.
Yes.
And even this one that you are seeing here, it is because of your views. The bed is because of yours. Everything, and also some support that you support us, the donation that we normally get. So we appreciate God. Continue just helping our brothers and sisters in the village, not only in the village and also outside. We just understand that not that you are rich, but at least you say that let me just help my brother somewhere or my sister. At least to transform his life, not to make him rich, but at least to transform it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that we can be able to reach where we are. Nobody is, we can't say that nobody is not rich or rich. Everybody is proud how he is.
Yes, the kid are coming from the river.
There is a girl coming from the river with a container on her head. Yeah, that's how we used to work also when I was still young. I was staying with one of my aunts. You come from school, and you know now it was like a marathon. You rush because you have to finish very early so that you can be able to take shower, and go and do maybe assignment. So we used to do that. You go and also fetch firewood sometimes. So village life is very nice, enjoying. Yeah. So bro, thank you very much for welcoming me in your channel. I feel so good. I'm very happy. Yesterday we were with Mayugno in Tanzania there. It is very good when we meet this way and
Maybe on the through the sun I will be.
yeah, it's very good when we meet this way and have this kind of conversations so that people they can be able to know that we are brothers and sisters. Yeah, sometimes we cannot. It is not very easy to do videos each and every time with our fellow colleagues, but we are in good terms. We are in good terms. Doesn't mean that if you don't see me in Alobebe's video or you don't see Alobebe in my video, it doesn't mean that maybe Fellow the Boy and Alobebe they don't go together. We are just okay.
Yes, but honestly, guys,
Yeah.
most of the team,
Yes.
I don't maybe interact with him.
Yeah. You know, people like us, you know, like me, I just concentrate on my things. Yeah, it is good. No, God has already given me knowledge to work, to look for money sometimes. Why can't I use that instead of doing dramas? Let me use that strength
Or opportunity.
to see on how I can be able to make my life better. So you will not be able maybe to find me, oh, Fellow the Boy is doing this, talking to this somebody this way. Me, I just watch those videos and I say, bro, everybody, if you are doing something is good, continue doing. And if you see that this thing that you are doing also is not good, just change and do something that is very right.
Sure.
Yeah, so that's what I normally say. Me, so long as I have got my home here, I have got a home, bro, that I call is my home.
If I could know,
Yeah.
I could know that you are bad, in a bad way, I could pause my videos.
You could have posted my video and
then-
even dropped the camera.
Yes.
But bro, me, I remember very well how we used to work with you there at Villa. That time it was raining. That time you see chabia in the water. We are struggling here and there, looking for life. That time I was staying in a certain cube at my guardians. But right now, bro, I cannot joke with YouTube that maybe I'm talking somebody very bad. And look what God has blessed me with. Let me take this opportunity and go on collecting the blessings from God and also from our subscribers.
And guys, I thank God for those people who are struggling maybe back years in the villa, maybe in terms of construction,
Yes.
who are being succeed.
Everybody who was in the villa and he didn't had a lot of dramas. All of them, look at me, look at you, look at Ankomo, look at Mayugno, look at this guy Masubo, Gake, I mean.
Gake.
Yeah, everybody has succeeded. Most of them, they have succeeded.
Succeed.
And the others that maybe I don't know. So somebody like Nasto also, the Cloud Joseph, Burundian, people have succeeded, bro. But if you are just there talking to someone each and every day, somebody's success is a secret. Somebody has struggled. Somebody has removed tears, bro. Somebody has even slept without eating to look for the success that he has. And you are there, you come and start talking about his success. Doesn't look good anymore. Even God Almighty, He will not bless you if you are that kind. Those are the people who are struggling right now here and there. They don't have even houses. Sometimes you find that they're just even struggling to get, but they're not getting. But if you decide, bro, you decide and talk very well, just do a content. Me, I normally say, even if I get 500 views, even if it's 400, but let me get real one, the real views.
That you sweat for.
That I sweat for. Not that to come on today and they say that, oh, hello baby, leave me alone. Hello baby, hello baby, I don't know what you want for me.
You
so
know,
that I get views. No.
you know the crazy thing about the villagers. They want maybe today to join on this social media and then to succeed on that time.
By force. They are using force. Force. If they don't post something that closing to a drama, they can't get views.
Yes.
If they can't post something that has got some rumors, they can't be able to succeed. So I just advise my fellow brothers in the village that marahaba, that anything that God has blessed you to do, just fight for it and get it. Let not devil win. We want to try our best, marahaba, and make sure that we have won. We want to defeat the devil. The devil is working among us, and the devil wants to rule.
Sure.
But we are not going to allow the devil. We are going to pray a lot for our fellow YouTubers and also come together. We join hands together. Let us one time come and unite and do something that is very big, something that will be appreciable even with the government, and the world will watch. If we think something like maybe we decide that today, all of the YouTubers will go in a certain orphanage. We go and dig their borehole. We say that, oh, we are the YouTubers whom we are paid. Let us get something like 1,000, or 500. We go and do something, bro.
Yes, guys. Imagine, to be honest,
Yes.
for me, we start with fellow Gake, Mayugno, but you and Mayugno, you build the house.
Yeah.
Everybody
I was
have the
constructing.
time.
Everybody has got, everything has got time. And if God has blessed you with construction, like me, you know, something good is that I studied about construction when I was in school, in Polytechnic, building construction. So construction was inside me. So I said that let me use this opportunity that God has given me. And I never knew that God will help me through construction. Just tell me, if I could not be able to know anything in construction, do you think Maro, I could have gone to go and see Maro? No. But at least I had something that I can go and say, bro, Maro, I am a mason. I can construct. So Maro will tell you, okay, come and you know the advantage with him. There is no day you will come and ask job if that he's not giving you the job. The only thing he needs is the accuracy, and you be serious on what you are doing. But once you concentrate very well, you will not cross on his line. Okay. So that one has empowered us, has made us very strong, has widened our brain, and also it has given us the light in the darkness to make sure that at least we can be able to help those one who can't be able to help. Yes,
another way, say open your eyes and see forward.
And see forward. Open your eyes and see forward. Don't see at the back. Things that you have passed, forget about it. Think about tomorrow. Forget about the past. Because once you think about the past, you will weaken your progress. Focus in future.
Okay, bro, me, I'm going to somewhere else down here.
Yes.
If you watch these videos, you shall see until the end.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
Wow. Now guys, those are people who are being inspired by Marwa, and then who are being succeed. One day I'll show him their home. If I don't have maybe more time, go and search for the boy. You can see their home, and it's a very, very nice bungalow. So right now he was purchasing the mattress. Maybe for example, when I pay a visitor there and it's too late, I have the time to sleep there. So you can see guys, entire village is building, but my time is coming. No worry about it. Let me grind hard, and one day you shall see my dream come to reality. But for now, I'm just grinding hard. I'm outside, 100% I'm outside. And today guys, you find these videos, maybe because of time, you find at night. So for those people asking premiere or live videos, and technically for me, I was done in premiere videos, you shall enjoy today. Wow, look, everybody's building. That's Congrats Dad's home, that's Mama Ann home. Man, look, if you try to mine from other side, may get to this side, huge progress. Let me go. So I'm heading down. Wow. Heading down. Wow. The goats are grazing here. Let's go. So guys, today's videos are very, very special, and I'm just do hurry up with the time because I left my baby to be washed, so that sometime it helped me a lot. And oh, there's some thorns here, look at this. Okay, so sometime it helped me a lot, and I need maybe next week to done service for it because there's some spares need maybe to exchange, and because of time, no money and no everything, so just use like that way. But when I get the money, I just do for service because it can last for the long time. Wow. Yes. Let's go this way, and I'm almost at Uncle Mo's home. Wow. This is Uncle Mo's home. This is the corner shop here. Go and check Uncle Mo, subscribe to his channel, you know. Sumu. Hey, hey, hey. Wagwan.
Naenda kuya ndama hapa.
Hapo juu.
Naenda kudunga.
Wapi?
Nakwanga ati mama ndama.
Yacha niangalie kuna kitu nimetumwa hapa. Huyu ni nani? Mish. It's not. There is one kid's house calling. There is not one that I know. Let's go. Oh guys, I met Uncle Mo on the way, and he went to treat the calf for the concrete mom. So over there, that's my Yugunas place. But I think because of time, I will pass here and go this way. Wow, this is the church here. We call SDA, Servant's Day. Wow. So today is today, guys, and I hope through these videos, maybe one or two people will be inspired what I'm doing. And sometime I repeat this several times. To be honest and patient and be trustful, nothing costs you. You know, even a single minute, nothing costs you. To be trustful, to be honest, nothing costs you. Trust me. Wow, this is Rivers land. You can see some material everywhere. So in our village here, people have dream to success, but other people try to pull us down. You know, that's the Rivers land right there. So today, I might say it's time to go. It's time to go. So right now, what I was talking about is this land here that you see. So this is the mark point over here, and when we succeed, maybe everything shall be approved by the surveyor of the land. I'll put here the mark one that you see with my brother from maybe with the lady from Uganda and all stuff. I was working for it, and people were being inspired what I'm doing. So right now, let me see if I can open here. Yeah, here there's, you may wonder why these people passing to. Wow, because this one was being closed permanent here. So I think because there's some mark here, I will pass here like this. And to be honest, this land have been gone. So there's some stones here, but the owner, we have been talking with him, this stone must be sold. Apart from this property, this stone must be sold. And I think we shall see in other way. Maybe this stone will be left here, or I will be allowed him to take the stones, whichever the case. And before go on the other side, there is some sand here, and also there's some small bricks here over here. See, these are some bricks here that are being covered well and everything. So let's see. And this land reach here, you know, every corner, every post means that this is the land over here. Going short way, it's 60 by 116. On other side, long way is 108 by 60. So automatically, let's say this land were being 100 by 60, 100 by 60. So that's 16 and 8 left. That's some small feet. So for now, it reached here, and I think when everything goes right, I'll put here some fence, and I'll put the concrete boundary, because right now we have traditional boundary. Oh, these people passing here, so there's other way. Okay, I'll put modern boundary. Right now we have the sisal. It acts as a boundary, so to avoid errors and mistakes. Sometimes when it's raining time and windy, it can push this sisal maybe to other side, to this side, and sometimes neighbors brought the issues and all stuff. You know what I mean? So this one here, it represents, but I'll try to remove it away. So I'll put the mark point. So by tomorrow or on Friday, we shall see how we take the measurement and everything. And right now, I think this is the borehole here and has no water. Oh, there's some water inside here, but we try to cover. So right now it's covered. So on this land we have 2 boreholes, which have been, one have been used. We have another one there, have been cemented and all stuff. So for me, I had the owner complaining that this house will be going to demolished, and we shall see. Maybe it can be demolished or left the way they are. And I think the only things they were being charged here, it's zinc or iron sheet and door. The rest will be remain like that. So, but the toilet, she will say it will remain like that way, and the borehole over there. So right now, so far so good. We have 2 boreholes here. So this is the first one, but I will show you the main one which have been used. Let's go. Wow, these are our neighbors over here, and this is the bathroom and toilet. I think bathroom and toilet, yeah. So I think this is the washroom and this is the toilet here. So far so good. It can be stay here, maybe for example like less than 2 to 3 years, if maybe construction starting here or whatever. And maybe if we decide to build the house for renting, this toilet, it can serve for the mason, and also the watchman will be stay here taking properties of our dreamland. But for now guys, this is the house here. Wow. So I think the land reach here, so you see every mark. Oh, I'm struggling guys to pass here, around here, but let's go. Oh, so I'll put everything. So this is the house that you see here. So all in well, for example, it can be a storehouse. Right now have been closed. Let's see, I think I've been closed inside. So this is the house here that you see at the back of my side guys. Wow, maybe I will be here, this house. So also they are really trying the best. You can see how the kale's doing good. Look, even the ripple veggies, no stuff, man. Look, and also that's the Rivers shares all the land of the other side, and also they have the onions. Look. So this is the first time to be in this place, but I was passing on other side showing you. Wow, let me go this way. We have also the cowpeas. If you don't know the cowpeas, it's this one here, the cowpeas. Wow, so far so good. I think that land reach at this particular point here, and tomorrow or in other day, the only thing matters here is to have the survey and also the measurement, and then I'll put the mark, so I don't want maybe to confuse with some neighbors. So guys, are you ready for this? I want to show you the borehole which were being used here, but it's closed, I think so. When it's not yet, I'll open for you. Wow, I hope it's not closed. You see the water inside there. You see water? So I think it doesn't have much or a lot of water, but it's okay. A small hole. We stand here and fetching water here. So wow guys, that is it here. Wow. So also they are trying to put some maize and beans here, and right, left, center. Also you can see it Rivers materials over there, all the way. You have another one on the other side there. Let's go. So that being said earlier, this land is 100 by 60. 100 by 60. Forget maybe some small feet like 108 feet, 116. Approximately, let's say 100 by 60, 100 by 60. So from this corner going that way, it's 60. From this corner, long way, go up to that way, it's 100. So long short 60, long 100, long short 60, long way 100. That is it, guys. I think you will get me better. So wow, this is the stones here, and I had the owner complain will be either I will use in other way. I choose to go with stones. They would go with stones, or they left the stones here and block. There's some around 1,000 bricks over there that have been covered by the polythene paper. I think I've already shown you this one here, and this one tip for the stones. I think he was complaining about that, the issue of stones. So we shall see the means way maybe we can solve that. Either we'll take the material, or could be left there and we're being paid maybe later. So guys, I want to take you around going back home, and actually I'm going to take my baby. I left in the car wash, so I want to see what is going on, guys. For me, I'm so grateful. I'm done my part, and we shall see maybe my reaction tomorrow's morning. Tomorrow's videos are very, very special. Let's go. God is good, and the good thing about in our village, the land was purely fertile. They are doing good in terms of maize. Let's go. Wow. Wow. So I hope today you will find this premiere video, and you will get to vibing together. So when I'm coming from Nyabuhansi, I use this route. But right now, let me pass to Mayuguno, going this way. Wow. I'm so tired, guys. But that is it. It is what it is. Let's go. Ta-da-da. Whew. I'm so tired, man. I'm telling you, I'm so tired. Oh, so tired, man. I'm so tired like crazy. Wow, this is my Yuguno's place. You see, look how the land of being fertile is. Guys, you see the rainbow? The rainbow. Wow. So let's go. So I'm using the shortcut, passing here. You see how the land was being fertile. The maize are doing good. Wow. You can see huge transformation in our village. Wow. Hey. Guys, you see how your son, Hello Baby, give you best videos ever. Let's move on. So I'm trying to pass here, and I'm going to check my baby whether have been washed. So since I left in the morning from home, this is my time to come back. Wow. It's good. Look, the maize, guys. Other tall, other short. So it's depend the time which you plant your maize. So no one will complain maybe in terms of hunger. Wow. Hey. Well, so I'm heading home right now, and I think after this I'll join the video with Mr. Gake, going to check the motherland place. Want to big shout to Masubo, or big shout to Mr. Gake. He want to build her mom's dream house. So I'm trying to help him, or to help him in terms of maybe transportation. We use our motorbike. Sometimes he put the gas and ready to go. Maybe in future or next year, by God willing, he will help me also, maybe to guide me in terms of construction. For right now, at least I have some clue. I will help Mr. Gake to build her mama dream house. Wow guys, I'm heading this way. Wow. You see the rainbow, guys? I think right there, that's the rainbow. If I could have my phone here, I could zoom for you and then you see. Wow. Let's go. Hey. And it's a nature walk, but it's a kind of evening vibe. Look. Wow. Imagine, guys, you know, I spend the whole of the day outside of my home. Look at the better life. Maybe in future I will succeed, and my sibling will enjoy the fruits. So that's why I'm grinding so hard, man. Right, left, center, to make sure sometime my family put something on table, to make sure that everybody is in good condition. That is why I decide to work so hard. And for me, I'm so grateful. I say thank you so much. God, thank you so much. Thank you a million for those people watching my videos. That is my struggle in my village here, African Kenya. As a village boy, I will stand in positive way. I will be calm and honest, and everything shall be going in order. So, wow. You see the rainbow, guys? I think we could be see. So, you see? That's the rainbow from Africa. Wow. That's the rainbow, guys. Let me stand this way. From the cloud, guys. The carved things, that's the rainbow. Look. Wow. Let's go. Hey. Wow. I'm so tired by walking, but I'm trying my best to be hurry up, because sometimes maybe I was in my motorbike or in my baby sometime. Let me say every time, maybe during at night, I will sleep. Look, that's Nastus place. Wow. The cow is grazing here. Look this. Look. Huge transformation, guys. And I thank God. We learn from each other, be inspired from each other, and we have a long way to go. Why not? So guys, stay tuned as I'm going to meet with my baby from the car wash. I think I've already been washed, so I want to take them, and we rush to somewhere else with Mr. Gake. Keep it locked, more amazing videos coming, guys. Another destination, but we've come to the end, guys. Love you, man. We say goodbye. Look at the bus. We have my baby here, taking the control, and that's Mr. Gake over there. Wow. So guys, guys, this is how Nyapansi looks like. Imagine. Wow. Super amazing, guys. Oh. See, guys. Everett's green, balance stones. Oh. Wow. And over here we have the police station. Over here, police post. Wow. Yes, so finally around here. Wow, this is Nyapansi. Guys, in case you're new here, we're calling Nyapansi right now. On the other side, let's see. Looking out here. Wow. And I see from the far end, kids are crossing the street, guys. Look. It's there. Wow. Oh, clouds. So now the house here, very beautiful one. That house there. Wow. Look at the side, man. Everything's green. Yeah? Everything's green. Wow. See, guys. So we're outside. We're heading to amazing village. So we want to chase dream outside. Technically, about us. Look at the side, man. Over there. Wow. We are going to deep village. So we want to make dream come to reality. So that is how we move outside as a teamwork. Well guys, so we just outside as a teamwork and we are heading to deep village. And guys, this is our second time to be here. So that's what we are in. You can see guys the maize corn over there, and this is a nice village here. Look guys, everywhere it's green. Everywhere. Look, even other side. You see? Wow. Other side you have the Irish potatoes plantation. Wow. I'm telling you. We have kales over there. Guys, for me, I'm heading today. Look how the motorbike are being overloaded. We have the church here. You see a structure like this is a church automatically. Over there is, look, people are really improving by constructing all construction. So guys, up to our new destination, like in our village here you have the goat alongside the road. Look at this here. You have the sheep here. Oh, we have a small center here. I'm telling you. We have a small center here. Small center here. We'll put a roof. Yes, there is a church service going on here. Look like a party. Wow. The satellite guys over here, and it's well setting guys. Look from there up to down, and have the solar panel there. Wow. Well guys, so we're back. So today it's a day where we can deliver some stones, and it's far from Nyabuhansa up to here. So we just company with my brother Mr. Gake, guys. So and actually we just built a hammam dream house here, 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom. So whichever the plan, what he have on the mind. So far so good. Maybe one day when I visit here again, you can't see this house, all houses that you see here. So everybody is migrated. So actually it's the chef for their dads to Mr. Gake. So far so good, guys. We just work as a teamwork and to make sure that our parents enjoy our fruits. So that's how sometimes, man, we wake up in the morning working so hard, at least to chase our dream outside. And today is a day. Wow, there is a phone, my friend. There is a phone here. Wow, guys, sorry for that. There is a phone, and I'm supposed to give. Yeah, so pick a call. Is sorry, guys. So there's a call, and so that being said, we just over here to make sure that our parents get good fruits in future. So that is why we just grinding hard, and also maybe in future our family enjoy some maybe good life, at least a half of the good life. So that is it. So guys, can go check both of us, Gake and Hello Baby Officials, show us some love, guys, you know. So that being said, earlier we work as a teamwork and to make sure everything is good. So today's videos, it's all about putting the stones on the ground. So like this one here, the hardcore stones, like this one here. So for now we brought one tipper. So right now, and technically I'm just wait to share with you another tipper, guys. Oh, look at the house there, amazing one. Oh, so this is a waiting bench. And the fact thing about in our village here, maybe in African village, every home that you go, guys, you find the waiting bench like this one here locally, you know, like this one here. So far so good. I was sitting here and we are chilling, waiting the tipper. So right now they have brought one tipper for the hardcore or for the stones. So we are on the way, because from Nyabuhansa up to here it's almost 4,000 kilometers, and I think so, maybe 400 or 4,000. I think 400 kilometers from Nyabuhansa up to here, and actually it's 400 because it's far. So we found they have brought one tipper for the stones. So we wait and show you how Mr. Gake, they want to make her mom to be proud, you know, likewise to me. So we just have good dreams, good idea to our parents, good idea to our siblings, like young sisters and brothers, you know. So so far so good, man. We outside, and I want to say thank you so much for those people watching my videos, for those people watching our videos, and also thank you so much, Monkia. You made it possible. Every day I want to say thank you, Monkia, because the courtesy of one of our subscribers, he bought for me a motorbike during the party season, and it helped me a lot. Like right now we use as a means of transport from Nyabuhansa up to here. So our work is to fuel the motorbike or to put the gas or gasolino, whichever the case, which you can understand. So we're ready to go. And honestly, I will just hold Mr. Gake with the 2 hands from scratch up to when the house will have been completed. So that being said, in terms of maybe transportation from villa up to here, from villa up to here, so we spend the day here and sometime we go, we see how the process will be going on. And maybe when next year God open the door, when I'm trying to build my mama dream house, also Mr. Gake will help me in other way. So I don't want to left my friend behind. He work maybe alone, so he can feel maybe maybe he can feel bad. So for me, I will conclude it maybe free of transport. So her work is to put the gas, and for me is to drive him here, taking back home like that way until when her mama dream house will be completed, guys. So when you see that kids passing there, or where I left my motorbike, that is where the dream house will be there, or be on the map of the house. And actually, it's a good plan of the house. Actually, hidden roof. So for me, you can advise me. I can build my mama dream house, and maybe a house like this, but a dream house, 3 bedroom, or hidden roof. Which did you prefer, guys? And after this, guys, I'm going to show you the hardcore. So we have already, they already have already come here, and Mr. Gake, they want to purchase 5 tippers. That is it. And also the balance stones here, guys. These are the balance stones. Wow, guys. Look how African village or African house looks like. Very amazing. I love it. And it's remind me where I'm coming from. East to west, home is the best. You know? So wow, so guys, let me show you the stones right now. That's his uncle over there. So we have already the road have already brought the 1 tipper for the stones, and actually it's this one here. So because of time, we are not around. So this is the first trip for the material for Mr. Gake's mother's dream house. And actually been where we see the motorbike is where we can construct the structure for the house over there, around there. And it's a hidden roof. Try to create that imagination. Hidden roof, this one. And her mom has no idea. Just like my mom, we done things randomly and then we surprise with our mom. So that is it. If you have your mom or both of your parents there, just support him, just show him some love so he can feel better, guys. Kuja nikuulize maswali formula question. Okay. Oh, because okay, Mr. Gake. This is the first trip?
Yeah, this is the first trip.
And the guy who brought you these stones, tell him to put huge stones,
Yeah.
maybe like 3 trips, and then maybe the 2 trips that are remaining,
Yeah,
they can balance.
they can balance.
Yes, you know this is the foundation stones.
This is the foundation stone, guys. Actually, you know what? They're going to bring 5 tippers of stones. Whereby 3, like the foundation will guys, the stone which you put inside the foundation, they're going to take 3 tippers, and then the 2 remaining one is like you just put
to compact on the ground.
Compact on the ground, and you just put a moram. You just put a good level, and then the concrete pass on.
Yes, and don't think about the moram.
Yeah.
You can maybe construct maybe sewage. You can harvest that moram and then you use it. Or what did you think?
Yeah, that's great.
Or you want to buy a moram?
No. Why we buy and like there's a moram which you'll dig, and then after, like, guys, you have just buy already, and then there's another one for free.
For free. Imagine you use the money to dig the sewage over there, and actually if you finish foundation and on the ground you compact everything, the only thing remaining is to bring the plumber before you put the concrete or the balanced. You bring the plumber, then everything, maybe the washroom, bathroom and kitchen, everything, and then we smear the concrete on the ground.
So actually, guys, for now, let us wait for that another trip. There's some tippers coming too at once.
Right now?
Yeah.
So we have already confirmed?
Yeah, I've already confirmed. This one, these they have just sold for me around
7,000. 60 USD.
60 USD. But for those one, they'll cost like 65 USD.
Because it's big.
That's big, yeah. But for this is, let me just say in Kenyan money is 7,000 Kenyan money. And the other ones, they're going to cost 7,500.
It's okay.
Yeah, a bit of only $5, guys.
Yes, $5.
Yeah, so let the material comes, and this is why actually they're going to praise a house.
Even that trees we cut them.
Yeah, that tree, I'm just going to cut it because if you remember, my mama just
have some bricks.
He pays someone to make a bricks. He makes how many? Let me just say.
Let me say 2,500.
No, he tell me 4,000.
4,000.
Yeah. So I'm just going to add like 2,500 bricks.
Okay, for that, don't add. Brought them here, you burn. In case it's reduced, you can purchase already burnt bricks. Don't make any other bricks because it's expensive. It need maybe right now, it's the time of raining. You make the bricks and then raining is coming. So that one that your mother made, it's around 4,000. They deliver them to here and then burn here.
Yeah, actually I'm just going to burn because, guys, they were not made over here. The other side of the village, they have just been at Nyabuanse. So we're just going to bring over here so that they can just be burned because if I just say that, let me just say that we burn them over the other side, the transportation maybe they may break. So it's better than like we burn over this other side, only taking them from this side, going to the other side. You see, like the transportation from the burning place to the sites is only like you see. So that's how I'm just going to do. So guys, actually here we go. So let us progress by waiting.
And your mom has no idea. Has no idea about the transportation of the material right now.
No, like I told her that, you know, she thinks that
you are joking.
I'm joking. You see, I just say that, like I just started like a joke. Like you have a land, and you have just make the bricks. So it's my responsibility now to make sure that your dream comes true. So I just say that while I get paid from YouTube this month's salary, which we have just received, I will go and do the buying of I will start buying of materials so that I can just ensure that I've just put a dream into reality, guys.
Sure.
So that's how it is, guys. So keep watching the video as we just progress with the waiting of the other tippers, guys. Here we go. Enjoy the video to the end. Subscribe and also like the video.
And for me, my brother will hold you from the starting of the foundation up to when the house will be complete. In terms of maybe transportation, maybe sometime your work is to put the gas and then gasoline. Maybe you fill the full tank. We take you around 2 weeks. Coming, go, coming, go.
So here we go, guys. Keep watching the video as we just progress with this amazing vlog.
Well, guys, enjoy and see what Mr. Gake done to her mom, and likewise to me, guys. You know, we just make sure that our parents feel good and enjoy our fruits. You know, us as our kids to our parents, we just likewise we are fruits. So my mom can peel that fruit and enjoy, or our parents peel that fruit and then enjoy the juice. So the juice is this one here. Well, guys, so stay tuned as I wait that tippers. I will show you. We just over here as the teamwork, and I will not bragging things, guy. Enjoy. I've been shocked with Mr. Gake. This is a 3-bedroom, And for me, I have the plan for my mom 3-bedroom, which is so big. All it's according to the plan.
It's according to the plan.
Imagine, guys, this 3-bedroom. Oh, it's because it has one washroom inside and toilet.
So see, this is how it is.
Uh-huh.
One bedroom over this other side,
Uh-huh.
another bedroom over this other side. So this bedroom and this, they will be sharing the toilets over here, and then the
We have
master,
another one.
yeah,
Let's see.
the master
Wow,
bedroom
guys.
is that on this other side.
And it's at the back door. Means this is a kitchen here.
This is a kitchen. So
Wow.
I think there's one over here.
One toilet inside. No, my friend.
Is this a 2-bedroom?
This is a 2-bedroom. You see, it's a 2-bedroom.
So here is a sitting room.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a two-bedroom. Wow, guys. But I love the plan of the house. It's wow, guys. You see how people construct the dream house. But for your mom, will be perfect on this village here.
Yeah, because it will be the first hidden roof.
Hidden roof
Yeah.
in this village.
Yeah.
Maybe people can copy your plan and then start develop.
Actually, you know why nowadays most, like, you see, for nowadays you must be smart.
Yes.
For example, this one costs around 70 iron sheets, and for the hidden roof
Around 40,
and,
60.
60
Around
is,
40.
60 like 6-bedroom,
Around 40.
like 40, like if it goes more is 40.
50.
40. You see, is a range between 30 to 40. You see, but this one it goes so, and actually for hidden roof, it always bring a good shape. You see, it always bring a good shape.
Yes, nobody can see the iron sheet or the zinc. You know Jamaican they call zinc? Zinc is the iron sheet. Like for us guys, we learned British language. We call the iron sheet. But I know I learned from Jamaican, they call zinc. If you are Jamaican, comment today's videos. Am I right? One day I'm coming there. Yeah, man. So this is your uncle's place. Yes. So it reminds our background, where we came from. Yes. Nothing changed, guys. I'm telling you. You know. Wow. So for now, guys, we are heading to this hotel here because we feel so hungry. Because that being said, we wake early in the morning and then nothing. Maybe we prepare early in the morning, like breakfast. Oh, we think about the content. But we thank God. God opened us for the content in our village here. You must say, God, thank you so much.
That's true, guys.
Yes. But one day, we must take ourselves to Kisumu or Nairobi.
Yes, soon. For me, I'm just planning.
Next month.
Not next month. Like, I'm just planning that at the time which Mr. Sesi will be leaving for Nairobi, maybe I will just
Escort him.
And then
We spend like 2 days.
2 days more. Like, for example, let me just say 2 days and then I come back. Because I have the responsibility to take a course.
Yes, I know. Even me, I have this responsibility at home there. So maybe you can go like 1 day. Let me say we spend like 1 more night, go, and then we spend at Nairobi during daytime, evening time. We back to the village. Come back.
The village.
Yes, guys. And it reminds me when my mom cooking, no firewood. My mom said, go and fetch firewood. I come like a bush like this one here. I look for the firewood. Man,
Life in
wow.
the village.
Life in the village, so
Life
simple.
Back in the village.
Back. Wow. Guys, these are totally different village. As you can see, but everywhere it's green. Green. And that's the beauty of Africa.
No drama.
No drama. Hate, no?
No drama.
No drama.
Yeah.
Yes. Man, you stay calm and positive. Everything shall be good. Wow. Try to imagine, guys, inside you have a hotel. Wow, guys, so stay tuned. Wow, guys, so right now I'm going back home. I'm going home back, guys. I'm heading this way. So guys, today I want to finish up setting of the tiles. I'll finish it up, and maybe I will shall sit for the next 20 minutes. Wow.